Alright YouTube, so on today's video we're going to be installing the trick chassis frame brace. Because this is an El Camino, I don't know if I said in the last video, but I had to get some custom bars made because the El Camino frame is longer. So I'm going to show you guys the difference in the trick chassis kit that works for G bodies and the bars that's going to work for El Camino. Alright YouTube, so this is the trick chassis frame brace bars. The ones in the middle is what comes with the kit, and the two on the ends on each side is the ones I had to get made. So what ended up happening is from here to there is an extra 5 inches to go on the frame because these were too short for the El Camino. So I had to get some ones custom made, and all you really have to do is on this end, you just have to have it 5 inches longer so it can reach the frame. Also, as you can see here, I got the cross member brace welded up in the frame. And what I'm gonna do is, I end up taking off the plates, but I'm gonna have some more plates that go deeper into the frame and then cut the notch out for the tubes on the end and then weld it all the way around. So that basically the cross member brace will be tied in with the frame, with the plates, and it'll come all the way around, and then the other bars will go out to the front here and over there. All right, YouTube, so this is how it's gonna look once I have it all welded up. All right, YouTube, as you can see here, I got both the bars pretty much leveled. It's off by 0.1 degree. But pretty much it's leveled all the way across here. Just have a tack there, 3 tacks there, and 1 there and 1 on the other side. All right, YouTube, this is the finished product. Got it all welded in. Have a cross brace in also. The only thing I need to do now is add these here. I'm gonna go about right there and match up with this. I'm gonna try to get the angle where it'll match up. Then I'll be done. So this is how it look. Also, I'll be filling this in. I end up taking my braces off because I didn't like the way they were done. So I'll end up redoing them and redoing the other side also. And what I'm gonna do is, because I have the bar in there, I'll just have the plate slide real close, cut a notch in it for the tube, and then weld it to the plate also. All right, YouTube, so as you can see, I have this basically templated out for the 45 degree that will go just like this. So it'll be in there just like this, and I'll weld it in. So I'm just gonna cut this out and then bevel it with the sander, and then I'll cut you guys back on. All right, YouTube, as you can see, I got both bars in. So what I'm gonna do now is gonna clean this up, clean up these brackets on both sides, and also bevel the tube a little bit more, clean up the tube, and then I'll go ahead and weld them in, and I'll turn you guys back on. So I'm gonna go ahead and weld in both of these here. And then I also got my new plates right here that I'm gonna be filling in. And like I said in the last video, I'm gonna cut out a hole there so it could fit around the tube in there. And I have the other plate right over there. All right, YouTube, we got it welded in all the way around for both sides. So this is the final result of this kit. And now I'm gonna start working on the frame plates. Cause I have to cut it out to notch it for the bars so the plate will slide, and I can weld the other side of the bar to the plate on both sides. All right, YouTube, so as you can see here, I have the template of where I need to make a cut. So I'm just gonna cut here. I'm gonna go all the way around. Well, first I'm gonna cut like this, like that, and then I'm just gonna bevel out this inside of it and just keep test fitting it, so then I can see how it look with the bar going through this section right here. So this and this will still be there. All right, YouTube, as you can see here, I have the frame up against the wall so I can get some paint on the bottom, and I also filled in a few holes that I had, like this here. I had a couple here, just gotta grind this down, grind this down, grind that down, and then just paint the rest of the frame down here. All right, YouTube, so this is the final result of the frame. And this is also the final. No more welding for me for now. I'm gonna go ahead and order my axles for the rear end and put everything together. I get the Blazer spindles, and then I'm gonna put everything together, and that'll pretty much be it for the frame. Then I'm gonna go ahead and get it back on the body and put it in my other garage and start working on getting like brake lines and basically building it back up to be a running car. All right, YouTube, I also, I got these here and this for sale. This is from the Trick Chassis kit. So it's an 1.5/8" 083 walled tubing. This will work directly for a G-body, Monte Carlo, Cutlass, Regal, Malibu. It'll work for those. And then this here is a cross member bar. Only problem between these two is this is an 1 3/4 and this is an 1 5/8. So it won't mount up directly to there. You'll have to notch it a little bit more probably for the end, or you just have to buy the Trick Chassis bar that go with it. But this right here I'll have for sale. If anybody's interested, just get in the comments and I'll go ahead and sell it to you. The price will be including shipping. I have to see how much it costs to get these shipped out. So just let me know. All right, YouTube, so again, thanks for watching. Soon I'll be having more videos on me putting the rear end in and putting the body on. But for now, as far as the frame, I'm completely done with that. Thanks to everyone that's been commenting as I went along on this frame journey. I know I'm not a perfect welder, but I'm trying. I like to do things myself in case it breaks. I know how to fix it myself. I'll have a lot more videos coming up soon. I probably won't be in this garage any longer because I'm gonna go ahead and take the frame out of here and just put it inside my main garage on the body, and I have the wheels and everything on also. So when I get in the strange engineering 35 spline axle with the spool for the 8.8, I'll go ahead and make a video about that. And I know I need to paint the brackets that go to the back of the 8.8 for the coilovers. So again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you.